Hey there, I'm going to show you how you can get free data on Vodafone and how to enjoy one of the best offers Vodafone can ever give. And this is coming up. Welcome to the YouTube channel. This is Yapzor. In this video, we are going to learn an incredible thing. So I would like you to first of all subscribe to this channel, hit on the notification icon, and like this video. Leave a comment below for me to know how this video has been helpful to you. So the first thing is the Vodafone Red Coins, which is like the MTN loyalty rewards that after you've used Vodafone for a time, you've Vodafone for some time, you get some points that have been accumulated, and now they are called the red loyalty points. And what you do is you go to 533 hash, go to option 1 to check your coins. So I've recently redeemed my coins, and what I now have is 220.05 coins. And how do you increase your coins? By using Vodafone Cash, and you will earn more. So from there you go to option 2, redeem coins, and don't quit yet, because I'm going to show you another method where you can get cheap data, actually very cheap data to buy on Vodafone. So don't quit yet. So when you go here, you have the voice redeem. You can redeem it for voice, you can redeem it for data. I'll show you the data one. So you have 50 megabytes for 200 coins. So if you have up to 1,000 coins, you get 250. And if you've never redeemed this, you probably have one of the great number of coins, a very high number that you can redeem and use it for your own purposes. It's free. And now, if you also want, the special offer is there. The special offer in this point, if you have up to 8,000 coins, you're able to redeem 80 series food at Starbyte. You can check it out for yourself. The next one I'm going to show you is star 530 hash. You may have seen this before early in the days when Vodafone made for me was very nice until they spoiled it. They are back again with now wonderful offers. So we have these offers. So for example, the first one, 16 gig for 50 cities for 30 days. It's a good offer, especially those of us who use much of data and you may like to use it, and it's 30 days, so it won't expire anytime soon. We have 1.1 cities for 1 gig. You wouldn't get this anywhere. 1.1 cities, that's 1 city 10 pesos for 1 gig 24 hours. You wouldn't get this anywhere. And if you know Vodafone 24 hours is not 24 hours, it's actually more than 24 hours. Let me explain this. Right now, if I do it as at 10-11 a.m. and tomorrow at 10-11 a.m., it's not going to expire. What will happen is that tomorrow at midnight is what the time is going to expire. So more or less, depending on the time you do it, it takes more than a day. It takes more than a day to expire, and that is actually a good thing Vodafone does for us who have bundles to redeem and order. So these are offers that you can actually enjoy on Vodafone, and I know it has been helpful. There are more offers and opportunities coming up that I'll share on this channel. So why not subscribe to this channel, hit the notification icon so you don't miss out on any video, and leave a comment below and I'll know how your thoughts about this video has been. Thank you very much. Until I see my next video. Bye bye.